If a tree falls in a forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? We can answer this question by studying the physics of sound. Physics tells us that sound is a wave. Specifically, it is a pressure oscillation that is transmitted through matter. But what causes these pressure oscillations? To find out, let's look at some musical instruments. After all, they're much nicer to listen to than falling trees. Let's examine a couple of instruments and see what happens. First, let's look at a drum. We're going to put some sand on the drum and then strike it to see what happens. It appears that the drum head is vibrating when it produces a sound. Now, let's look at a string instrument. It appears the string is vibrating too when it produces a sound. This is the case with all sounds. A vibrating object causes pressure variations in the air that we hear as sound. Often, the object doesn't vibrate for very long. So when the tree hits the ground, the collision will cause a variation in pressure. In other words, a sound wave. In addition, you will feel the vibration if you were standing nearby. But let's leave the forest in peace and go find out more about sound in your physics book.